when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.
Go, did. Go, did. Yes, family. What's going on, guys? Let's get it. We are back with another beautiful morning, a beautiful trade session. Shout out to the family in the chat, man. I appreciate y'all so much for being here with your boy today. Let's get it, family. We're gonna have another dope trading session today. Hopefully it could be just as good as yesterday, man, because yesterday was actually really vibey. But as usual, we don't dictate the outcome of these trades that we take. We just got to follow our plan, find a setup that makes sense, manage our risk, press the button to execute, and the rest is out of our control. Right? But once again, family, welcome to today's stream. Shout out to you guys for being here today. I see we got Austin in the building, Sigma the Dancer, Tyson, Anthony, Carlos in the house as well. What is up, y'all? Glad to be here with you guys all. Yeah, turn up. Yeah, turn up. Shout out to my Starbucks. We on them caramel ribbon crunches this morning, family. We back on the coffee this morning, so I might be off the wall today. But we gonna still chill. We gonna find some setups. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, gold went crazy just now. Gold just went crazy just now. Go just went crazy just now. Go just went crazy. But this paper, I just looking real lazy. The real ones looking like they made me. I'm gonna earn it. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. All right, family. Let's go ahead and get into this real quick, man, because we do got a bunch of stuff that we can talk about today. It is the day before major news as well. But I really want to go over what we went over yesterday, man. Shout out to all you guys that were on yesterday's stream, family. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much. You guys are the superstars here, not me. It's y'all. But I appreciate y'all. But yesterday we actually had a really good session, right? It took us damn near the entire session to find a setup. But we did eventually find a setup. And we ended up taking a trade right around these levels. Now the market did give us a little bit of resistance, you can say. Right? It didn't obviously start moving right away. You know, we were in a little bit of drawdown for almost an hour, just going in and out of profit. But then eventually, as expected, as soon as I get off the stream, she finally starts moving. I'm just glad that she started moving in the direction that I needed her to move. But man, yesterday was an absolute banger, family. We did catch gold, ended up running at the highest for almost 100 pips. Right, then we ended up, literally not doing anything all the way for the rest of the day. So we were able to still grab 100 pips on this move here on gold yesterday, man. It was an absolute banger. It did come all the way back down, obviously, during Asian session, which is, it is what it is. It's unfortunate. I was kind of hoping that the little that we left open, you know, would still be able to continue to run like it's doing now. But, yeah, price did come back down, which it is what it is. Overall, you know, we still were able to capitalize on this 100 plus pips or this 100 pip move to the upside right over here. And that's really what it is. Right now, for today, it's going to be very interesting. All right, because I told you guys I was looking for us to go bullish into 5 buys all the way up into this 2336, 2337 level. Right, this is the area that we're now heading into that I now want to keep my eyes on. Because I think, and I could be wrong here, I could very well be wrong here, but I think there's an opportunity for us to find some selling pressure up in these areas. Now, again, I could be wrong, right? The market could very well just smash right on through this and just continue going to the upside. In fact, we do have a nice little loan candle right here at around the 2350s on future pricing, right over here. Nice little LC, a loan candle. So there is a chance that not only we break through this little resistance that we're at 2336, but we make our way higher all the way up into that loan candle at 2357. And then on a sweep of that loan candle, we could probably see gold go ahead and flip back down. Because just like I told you guys yesterday, man, the buy that I was looking for yesterday was a short-term buy. I am personally favoring more weakness here on gold. Now, just like I told y'all yesterday, I was favoring long-term weakness as well. But just because I'm favoring something from a long-term perspective doesn't mean that I'm not going to find an opportunity for today. I can have a long-term sell perspective on gold for now, but still look for some bias today, depending on what the market's telling me. I have my bias. I believe in my bias, right? But I also understand that a lot of my analysis is much bigger analysis, right? It's analysis that is reliant heavy on fundamental analysis, relying heavy on sentiment. And because I rely heavy on fundamental and sentimental analysis, that doesn't always mean that the opportunity for that news event or that sentiment that I have to play out today. Okay? So that's why I'm open to taking a buy and or a sell if that's what the market is telling me. So we're going to see what we got for today. I am leaning towards looking for something to eventually short from. But if the market is just showing us this type of momentum and this type of strength, it's kind of hard to go against that, right? But it's also very, very hard to try to buy into this now. Like, look at this move. How like, that's a 1 hour candle. That's a brolic 1 hour candle, bro. Like, now, how can we get involved in this? Like, we just went bullish for the last 15, 20, 5-minute candles, right? So like now, either if we want to look for more continuations to the upside, we're gonna have to wait for a pullback to then look for the buy, right? Or, which is what I'm also gonna be doing, is now that we are extended, how are we gonna react up here? Right? How are we gonna react above these levels? Is that 2336 truly gonna act as a resistance? Because then, depending on how price action forms up there, we can also look for possible reasons to short this. So we're gonna have to see. Again, today's gonna be one of those days, family, where it might involve a lot more patience than yesterday. Even though yesterday involved a lot of freaking patience, today, man, if we don't see nothing clear as day, I'm not taking it. If it's not slapping me in the face saying, hey, boy, I'm here, I ain't taking it. Because there's a high probability. There is a high probability. Shout out to all you guys in the chat, by the way. I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all. Please go ahead and smash that like button one time for your boy. Smash that like button one time for your boy. But one thing we have to be mindful of for today is of what's happening tomorrow. Right? We don't have no news on the calendar for today, but we have a shit ton of news on the calendar for tomorrow. With CPI starting off the fireworks. And then for the grand finale of fireworks, the 4th of July type of fireworks, we have the Fed interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern, followed by the press conference from Jerome Powell himself. So with all this news on the horizon for tomorrow, there might be a chance that these markets really don't move too much today. Now, there could be some movement. Right? Again, we were able to catch a little psalm off of yesterday. Right? A little nice little move here. But I'm just saying, we also got to be mindful that there's major news tomorrow, right? Like, think about it. If you were a massive institution, if you were a massive hedge fund, right, and you have billions of dollars of assets under management that you have access to, that you can now make decisions off of, right? Are you going to make a rash decision and get into the markets less than 24 hours away from major news? Probably not. Probably not, if you ask me. But you never know. Some of y'all might be degenerates. Some of y'all might be the hedge fund owners that are gonna try to jump into news right away, right? And the reason why I bring that up is because, again, who moves price? Like, what actually causes price to move? It is the buying of seller of who, right? The biggest institutions, the corporations, the hedge funds, the market makers, right? They're the ones that can move price. So I don't think they're, and I could be wrong here, right? Again, I don't know, right? I don't have direct ties to a hedge fund manager that I can ask this question to, right? But I don't think they're in a hurry to try to jump into positions right now with billions of dollars because of what's going to happen tomorrow. But I could be wrong. Well, again, we're going to find something. We're going to actively look. This is what I give you my word on, family, right? And big shout out to all you guys, the rest of y'all that are here. I see you, Kevin88 in the building. Big Freeze on Lou in the house. Ribbon Crunch Society stand up. We got Tirso in the house. John Jefferson in the building. What's going on, John Jefferson? I love the JJ. I'm going to call you JJ for now. John Jefferson's mad freaking long. But I got you, JJ. Right, we got William Hernandez in the building. US 30 hit that TP. Let's go. I love to hear it. I love to hear it. Hold on, we'll give you a little round of applause for that. Let's get it. I love it. I love it. All right, let's see who else we got. First visit. How's it going? Daryl in the house. Family, can we give a round of applause for Daryl as well? New family member in the chat. Come on now, let's get it. Y'all know we like to support each other. We like to show love here, man. You know we like to show love and like to support each other. Welcome to the family, my brother. Let's see who else we got here. We got Kevin in the house. What's going on, Kevin? Reggie in the building. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you, my brother. We got the boy Devin in the building. Mr. Puscavage himself. Mr. Savage himself. What's going on, Devin? My brother Drew in the house. Grand Rising. Damon in the building. Mr. Gerfurdy himself. Linda in the house. Bockley in the house. Lambo in the building. What's going on, Lambo? Money. Let's see. We got Crossroads in the building. Able to go. Nah, you to go. You to go. You to go. All right, so big shout out to all you guys, family. But like I was saying, man, we're still going to actively look for opportunities that make sense. We're not going to force anything. We're going to follow our plan, follow our rules, only take the setups that actually look good to us. Then we just gonna deal with the outcome of it. Then we gonna deal with the outcome, deal with the consequences, and yeah, it's pretty much where we're at. Okay. Perfecto. All right, so now looking at the rest of the market, family. Again, gold is interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, I don't know. Gold, I'm gonna have to see how we play off up of these levels for me to really take something on gold. So I'm gonna be a little patient on gold. I'm not gonna force anything. I really need something to build, but let's see what indices are doing, right? What's the Nasdaq doing here? The Nasdaq just had a pretty strong 4-hour closure here, bearish 4-hour closer. It did just come and fill this wick too. Let's see. Oh, that's not what I wanted. All right, let's see what we got here. So we are still stuck within this range here. The range just got a little bit wider because of this news candle that happened last week. Let's see. Are we gonna continue bullish here? I'm trying to figure out what I think the Nasdaq is gonna do, family. Walk through this with me, though, family. What do you guys think? Indices for today, family. Indices for today. I don't know if you guys been on. I don't know if you guys been on the money lately with these polls. But let me go ahead and drop a poll in here. I wanna ask you guys. What are you guys for today for indices? Do you guys think we close bullish or do you guys think we close bearish? What will? When I'm talking about indices, I'm talking about the Nasdaq, the S&P, US 30, and for Drew, you know, the RD, the RARDY, the RORDY 2000 or whatever that's just called. The RORDY, the Rowdy, the RORDY, the Rowd, I don't know. All right, answer the poll, family. Answer the poll. Polls in the chat. Also, go ahead and smash that like button as well. Once you answer in the poll, smash that like button one time for your boy. Like I said, it definitely means a lot to me, and I appreciate y'all for doing that. The more you guys like the stream, the more I'm going to show up. Because I like showing up, trust me. Excuse me. All right, let's see what else we got here. Grand Rising, first timer here. Let's go. Simfawe. Let's go. Round of applause for you as well. Welcome to the family. I love it. I love it. Let's see. I just bought my trading compound on Tipster. Tipster. What the heck is Tipster, Kevin? Tipster. Is that like a new? Is that a new firm or did you mistype? You mean Top Step? Is that what you're referring to? Are you referring to Top Step? Shout out to Top Step. I think you're referring to Top Step, huh, Kevin? I trade like you, so I'll take it. Okay, I like that. Let's see, I left my real accounts on holiday. Okay, smart. Let's see, ranging until tomorrow on indices. Cassandra, you might be onto some. I think the whole market might be range bound until tomorrow, to be honest with you, but I think there's still some opportunity, right? So I see we got 75% of y'all. There's only been 12 votes, by the way. Can you guys all please like the poll real quick in the chat, if you can? I know some of you guys are probably headphones in, can't really interact too much, you know, so I appreciate y'all either way. If you guys are not able to interact, I get it. Let's see, Top Step. Yeah, I figured. We got the boy Carlos. So it's interesting. I don't know what I am with indices, because I really do still like the continuations to the upside, right? I still am a fan of more bullishness to continue here to the upside. I really am a fan of more bullishness, but I also see the potential for us to possibly continue to correct. Like I really would like to see. I would have been a big fan if we're able to see a sweep of this low right here. Let me go ahead and just delete these boxes real quick, right? If we were able to sweep below here, I feel like that would have been nice. There's still a chance for today to happen. If we were to sweep something like that, oh my goodness, I think that would be fantastical for a possible then continuation to the upside. I wouldn't be opposed to that. I wouldn't be opposed to that at all. But yeah, we're gonna have to see, guys. I don't know. I'm a little torn. At least looking at the Nasdaq, I'm a little torn because I do still like more upside, right? We did end up closing yesterday as a bullish engulfing. We didn't test the previous day high or low though. We were kind of just in the middle of the range, so we still might if we do end up going bullish, which is what I think is eventually going to happen, I think we will kind of have to take out this low first, right? I think we'll have to take out 18,930s first before we can possibly continue to the upside. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at as of right now, right? Again, things can change depending on price action, but yeah, I think at this point we probably come all the way down, take out this low 18,930, and then from there we get a nice opportunity to then possibly go ahead and start to buy this thing up. That's what I would like to see. Right, that's what I would like to see. It's just, are we gonna get that today? I don't know. Right, this close to news tomorrow, the interest rate decision, this close to that big data, I don't know if we're gonna get this type of move. We might. If we do, we'll be ready. But yeah, it's definitely a little tougher. Now, I'm not opposed to selling us down there though. Right, I am not opposed to us selling down into that level. In fact, shoot, we might have just got a decent entry right here. Hold on. This little short probably not that bad. I normally don't take trades before the open, but I'm actually not opposed to looking at this little sell. Damn, do we actually go all the way down here though? That would be a crazy trade. That would be insane. 7.5 to 1. If we do target this low, I don't know if we're gonna get that low, but at the very least, I think we come to the 18,975s. At the very least, ski, which is still gonna give us a 5 to 1 risk reward. Yeah, listen, I don't normally take trades before the open though, but do we tag this? Let me see. What are you guys thinking about in the chat? I took a little stab at Nas, quick little scalp TP smacked. Carlos, you've been crushing it, bro. You've been absolutely crushing it, absolutely dominant. That's amazing, yo. Amazing. Now my question is, do I take this sell, right? The reason why I'm even considering it, because it doesn't look that bad. It does not look that bad. We have been falling since London session. We had a little bit of a turnaround for now. And I think there's a chance for it to continue. There might be a little bit of a continuation there. Honestly, I'm not opposed to that sell if the entry is right. And for me, the entry is right. That's what I'm saying. I'm not opposed to the sell at all. But for those of you guys that have been following, and for those of you guys that have been understanding like my, I don't know what I'm going to call this, type 1, type 2 execution technique, because type 1 or type 2, however I break it up, it's either I'm getting a liquidity grab or I'm taking a continuation type of play like this, right, with a trigger line entry, right? You going? And this actually did everything that I typically be looking for. Right, that's why I'm considering it, right? We had previous strong bullish candle that ended up closing above our moving averages. Right, a lot of, it wasn't that much volume, but we had a super strong bar, no follow through whatsoever. Right, we had 2 5-minute bearish candles that came and completely erased that. The second 5-minute bearish candle also did close below my trigger line. Hey, don't be surprised. The only thing that I don't like is just the fact that it's out of session. I normally don't trade in indices until after the open. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Everything else looks solid though, so I'm gonna be chilling though. I'm not gonna take it personally, just because again I don't want to break my rules. And that is actually one of my rules: indices after the open. But don't be surprised if this starts dropping. I'm chilling though. We'll see where it's at. Hopefully it does, you know, just stay around this level for the open, which is about 30 minutes, and then from there we can peacefully take that. But I don't look too bad. Even US 30 gave a similar play here, right? US 30, same thing. We've been selling off since London session, pulled back a little bit. Little retest to this structure point right here. 5-minute closure back below, breaking our trigger line. Oh my goodness. Yeah, only thing that sucks is just again they're not within the time. And honestly, us not taking a trade right now, even though it looks good, might save us. This is why rules are for, right? You know, the rules are there to guide you, to help you make smart decisions, right? And since I know I'll be breaking a rule trading out of session, that's why I'm chilling. You never know. Let's see. How you guys feeling in the chat, though, family? Let's see. King City in the building. What's the word, King City? Let's see. Jay the Investor in the house. What's going on, Jay? If you do just break your rule, just blame it on YouTube. That's the opposite, though, right? Like, I hate breaking rules on YouTube. I'll break rules if I'm by myself and nobody knows about it. Right? like I'll break rules when you guys are not watching. Because if I break a rule and you guys are watching and it actually works out, then that's a bad habit that y'all gonna be developing. And I don't want y'all developing bad habits. We are here to develop the correct, healthy habits that will allow us to reach profitability. You feel me? Jay, you are hilarious though. He said, just blame it on YouTube. Like, nah, that's the opposite. I need to be more disciplined because I'm on YouTube. Y'all be holding me accountable and y'all don't even know it, family. Right? Y'all think I'm holding y'all accountable and I'm helping y'all out. Y'all are holding me accountable and y'all are keeping me disciplined. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all don't even be realizing, man. Let's see. Yes, sir. Indices after open is a golden rule. Absolutely, Cassandra. So I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Let's see. I'm going to sell on 30 since Friday. Hey, okay. Hey, listen, man. I hope US 30 continues to eat for you, King City. That'll be phenomenal. Let's see, JJ, it's going down, man. Listen, if it goes down, so be it. We'll have another opportunity. That's the beautiful thing about trading, family. Right? Even if this does drop, and we're just not in it because of us being disciplined, guess what? Once we break out this low, there's probably going to be another little pullback. Right? And there's probably going to be another pullback. Right? There's probably going to be 2 or 3 more pullbacks all the way until we get to our actual TP. So trust me, we'll be fine. Right, that's why I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a rush because there's always another opportunity. Unless gold just goes bonkers and one big God candle strikes down and sends it all the way down, then yeah, then we're just some missed opportunity is what it is. Right, but I promise y'all there's going to be ample opportunity. Especially today when there's no news, we're going to break every low and pull right back. Break a new low and then pull right back. And those are all opportunities to get involved. So I'm not in a hurry. We got 29 minutes to wait. We'll be okay. We will be okay. Trust me. Let's see. Rules suck. Principles. Now those are solid. Constantine, are you trying to drop some wisdom? Are you trying to drop some wisdom on us, Constantine? Because I'm liking that energy. He said principles. Now those are valid. That's actually really good advice. I'm not even gonna lie. Rules suck. Principles, now those are solid. That's dope. That's dope. Let's see. Do you believe US 30 is gonna hit 38,000? Oh, that's a pretty far drive. Is it far drive? Nah, actually, it's not that far. It's right back to the lows. Is that the same on all pricing? Oh, yeah, it's similar, actually. Yeah, future pricing. I mean, there's a little bit of a difference in... Yeah, there's definitely a difference in pricing, but it's essentially right back to the lows. Do I think Indices is going to go back down to its low? I think it definitely will. I personally think that there's a good chance that it could. At least US 30. Right? US 30 has been, again... If you compare US 30 on a daily to where it's at compared to the S&P and the NASDAQ, there's a big difference. The S&P and the NASDAQ are still steadily headed or holding, right, damn near right at their all-time highs. Right? They ended up breaking previous all-time high that was created last week, and now we've just been resting up there for 4 days. US 30 has not been able to go back up to his all-time high yet. In fact, is actually resting below an interesting level of structure. Right, so for some reason, there's a lot more selling pressure on US 30 than there is compared to the NASDAQ and the S&P. Why is there so much selling pressure? That's a good question we have to try to figure out. Right now, obviously, US 30, in terms of, you know, the companies that are inside of this index and the allocation and how it's actually measured is completely different than the S&P and the NASDAQ. Right, 1 or 2 companies can completely control the S&P and the NASDAQ. You can't do that with US 30 because of how it's measured and how it's weighed. It's completely different. But this is interesting to see. I think there is a very good chance that we do see us come and take out these lows. So yeah, I wouldn't be opposed to possibly leaning towards that if that's what the market is telling us. Let's see what else we got here though. It's all good. No emotions. Just trying to set up in the plan. I'm at break even. Oh yeah. Let's see. The reason it's not gonna drop is because it's looked like it's gonna drop. Yo, Constantine, you over here trying to drop wisdom, my boy. He said the reason it's not going to drop is because it looks like it's going to drop. Oh my God. Hold on now. Who are you, Constantine? Who do you think you is, boy, coming in here dropping all that value and all that game? Family, that's not a bar? Like, family, is that not a bar? Like, think about that. He said the reason it's not going to drop is because it looks like it's going to drop. Oh my God. That's really, that's crazy. But it is also very true. In an extent. In a certain extent, it's definitely true. That boy came in here dropping scripture. That trading scripture. All right, let's see what else we got here, though. Bitcoin sell. Now, Bitcoin has definitely been falling off the face of the earth for the past couple hours. We got TJ in the building. What's going on, TJ? Appreciate you for being here. Let's see. You got ads. Are the ads on? I thought I turned the ads off. Hold on. Let me turn the ads off because I know I hate personally when the ads are on. So let me make sure that the ads are off. All right, so you guys shouldn't get no more ads. Because you freaking ads, man. Although you try to make me money, you also hurting my viewership. And I need retention more than I need a couple pennies that you're going to pay me, YouTube. So stop putting my ads on, bro. Stop that. I need retention. I need people to stay on. And people leave when an ad plays. Stop playing with me. My fault, y'all. I had to check YouTube real quick. Listen, I'll make money off it. I'll make money off the ads later on, down the line. I'm not worried about that right now. So yeah, let's see. We'll see what we got here, family. As of right now, the Nasdaq is chilling. Look like it might be making a move. What's the S&P doing? S&P is also still chilling. US 30 is also being chilling as well. Chilling. All right, let's see what else we got here. I'm also selling EJ. Entry was 169. Hey, man, listen, King City, man, you be coming on here, bro, telling us what you were already in or what you're already in. Where's our calls, bro? Where's our signals? Like, when you gonna call a trade out that we can take together? Like, I'm putting everything on the line and calling out trades for y'all so that we can take them together, win or lose. Where's mine? Tight? Oh yeah, nah, you could tell. Family, for those of y'all that know me, can you guys tell when I'm because I was just tweaking right there. Can you guys tell when I'm drinking a caramel ribbon crunch compared to an actual strawberry refresher? Is there like a different level of Abel? Like, is one more chaotic than the other? Because if I had to choose, I think these caramel ribbon crunches just have me acting like a freaking cornball. But they're so good though. They're so freaking good though. But them caramel ribbon crunches do be they do be heavy acting me crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. I gotta this whole junkie stream right here. You acting more white? Yeah, I don't know if that's a compliment or not. Shout out to all my white folk in the building, man. Shout out to all my Caucasians, man. I love y'all, man. Listen, my stepmom, who damn near raised me, is white. So I got love for all my white folks. He said you're acting more white. That's hilarious. I'm acting more light skinned. Listen, man, I'm light skinned, so I don't know any other way to act but light skinned. Let's see. On coffee, you're able to beast. Nah, on coffee, I'm able to junkie according to Free Zone. Let's see. What do you mean, your white folks? They my white folks. Listen, I'll take ownership of anybody, to be honest with you, but they my white folks, just like I'm theirs. I'm theirs. All right. Lock in. Yeah, nah, that's. Let's see, that ribbon crunch go hard. That ribbon crunch is slapping, bro. That ribbon crunch definitely goes hard. It definitely gets me going too much though. It's too much caramel, bro. I gotta start telling them like, yo, lay off of the caramel, bro. Y'all over here making me act like a fool. Definitely. All that sugar, I'm telling you, yeah, cause there's all the sugar and caramel mixed together, bro. I'd be acting, yeah, I'd be acting crazy. All right, you know what we learned from yesterday, though, family? One thing that we did learn from yesterday's stream, right, was in order for our trades to actually play out and do what we wanted to do, we gotta play some gospel. That gospel music, man, yesterday had us pretty lit. I ain't gonna lie. So now that we are still chilling, I think if we play a little bit more, we play some good music, we find some good setups. Because I don't see anything right now that I'm comfortable taking. Like this gold, I'm not comfortable selling this gold. Maybe if we pull back, we could buy. But I'm chilling right now, family. We're going to be patient. We got 20 minutes for the open. Glory to the Father. Hey, talk to me. Talk to me. Wash away my shame. Good. Let's see what we get here, family. Let's see. I'm on my 4th coffee. Damn, Jay, you definitely gotta be more wired than me, bro. You have to. You gotta be more wired than me then. Boy said my 4th coffee. And the crazy thing is, that boy drinking coffee black. Like he drinking straight black coffee too, I bet, huh? Family, how many of you guys drink? When you guys drink your coffee, man, do you guys drink it black? Do you guys drink it with a little bit of black and sugar in it? A little bit of black and sugar don't even make any sense. Do you drink it with just a little bit of sugar? Do you gotta put some milk in that bad boy? How many of y'all actually, like, if I'm gonna be honest, man, if you guys drink coffee straight, coffee black, I really truly believe that we should get you some help. And I say this in the most nicest, respectable way possible. Let's get you some help. I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we can come together as one and we can do this together. But if you drink coffee straight black, no sugar, no cream, no milk, no water, no lemonade, no ketchup, y'all are wildin', bro. I listen. We'll get you guys some help. I promise you we will. Matter of fact, do we got any therapists in the community? Imagine that, right? Do we got any therapists in the community? Family, any therapists in here? Send me an invoice. If we got any therapists, send me an invoice. We got a lot of people in here that clearly need help. A lot of people clearly need help right now, family. So do we got any? Like, what's up? Let me know. Because we see, we got Jimmy said black, Austin straight black. Ugh. Milk and sugar, but want to drink. Hey, JJ, at least you drinking with milk and sugar. Kevin, at least a little bit of sugar makes it a little bit better. Kev88 with the black. Oh my God. I love black coffee, especially cold black coffee. That's even worse. John Wayne style. Yeah, that's nuts. That is nuts. Listen, I like my coffee light and sweet like you. Hey, my boy Renee. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Hey, yo, that was about to be crazy what I was about to say. I appreciate the compliment, my brother. But you a little light and sweet on your end too, my brother. No homo. No diddy. No diddy. I see, I could do it either way depending on what the coffee. Some coffees taste good straight black. Hell nah, bro. Yo, Free Zone. Bro, find me one coffee that actually tastes good black. I guarantee you can, bro. It's impossible, bro. Impossible, bro. Let's see, my name is Jimmy and I'm here because I drink black coffee. Yeah. Ninja said, I'll send the invoice. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We need it. Like it's the Great Depression. Yeah, Nick. Black coffee is good for you, but tastes like shit. Let's see, Constantine said, look at this running to the upside, 1906. You're talking about the NASDAQ if you're talking about 1906. Let's see, 1904. That's pretty much just above these highs. 1904, yeah, above these highs. It's very possible. I mean, we do have, this little fair value gap right up here that we could probably target. But either way, I'm chilling. I'm not taking anything anyways to the open. So, you know, this could very well spike up. Feel this little bit of an imbalance right there. And then from there, possibly get the sell or see it break. And then we just continue. Listen, I'm going to take what the market gives me. All right. So it is very possible that we do run up there, Constantine. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Let's see. We got L. Kirk's in the building. What's going on? Today, catch the W on EU. Okay, let's go. Family, do anybody get... Hold on. Before I celebrate, hold on. Shut up. Turn off. Do we got any wins for today that we can celebrate real quick? Family, did anybody take trades already this morning? Anybody in any positions already? Can we get a little check real quick? Anybody in trades? Did they take trades? Did you guys make money already today without me? Let me know in the chat, family, so I can celebrate y'all, man. Let's see. I'm drinking just espresso with no additives and drinking 7 to 9 cups daily. Golly, Bakri. Drinking just espresso, 7 to 9 cups daily? Holy moly. Nah, that's crazy. That is crazy. Yo, let's see. 2 sugars and a cream? That's possible. That's doable. Let's see. Boy trying to hit. Yo, you guys are hilarious. The Cuban espresso, I don't think I ever had it. You know what coffee I actually wouldn't mind black? Is the cafe con leche from the Hispanic spots that you be getting. You go to like a bodega in the city, you can get yourself a nice little cafe with the leche, with the milk though. Without the milk, it actually don't taste that bad. It tastes like shit, but it don't taste that bad. But like that type of coffee is cool, all right? Like the cafe, the Mexican, Puerto Rican, you know, the grandma cooking it on the stove, like that. See, that coffee's doable. Anything else than that, you guys are crazy. You guys are nuts. Let's see. I am different. I like coffee with cream. Yeah, Reggie. Talk nice, Reggie. That's what I'm talking about, bro. We need something in there. We can't just drink it straight. They're tripping. Let's see. Colombian black coffee could be good since it's a sweet flavored bean. Never had it. Y'all gonna have to start shipping me some coffee. Let's see. Good morning, CJ in the building. What's going on, CJ? Appreciate you, my brother. Let's get it. Made 600 last night in Bitcoin. Holy moly, let's go. Let's see, Constantine, I am in long from 1904, so you were already buying the NASDAQ. Okay, Constantine. You know what's crazy, Constantine? I don't know you from a hole in the wall. But just off the value that you gave from 2 comments, yeah, I think you're gonna do good. I think you're gonna do good. Hopefully this trade goes well for you though, since you're already in it. If you are actually in it. Hopefully that does go well for you, man. Let's see. I was selling in my sleep. Eyeballing some crypto buys. Okay, Logan. Hey, the crypto market is falling pretty hard right now. At least it was. Like, look at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin fell pretty aggressively overnight. I mean, since yesterday, actually. Like, we literally lost about $2,000-$3,000 worth of value. But y'all know how I feel about crypto, man. I'm extremely bullish. I'm a purple bull. So, yeah, I think these eventually rebound pretty aggressively back to the upside. Like, I wouldn't be surprised or shocked if, honestly, I still kind of want a little bit lower. This is something that, again, most people are going to probably look at me crazy for. Probably going to look at me crazy. But I wouldn't mind a little bit of a deeper correction here on Bitcoin. Like, I wouldn't mind us getting back in towards the 60K level. And the reason why I say that is because think about how much fear people are going to have. Like, there's people probably panicking right now just off of Bitcoin giving this little small fall right here. So think about the sentiment around Bitcoin if we were to fall one more level down towards 61, 62K. That's going to have a lot of people fearful. And when there's a lot of people fearful, that's when we get in. So I wouldn't be surprised if we still see something like this, right? We still have a lot of imbalances to the left over here that we could potentially target. You know, we have a lot of liquidity below, you know, some of these higher lows that were left behind that we could target. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did see something like this. All right, I'm just being honest with y'all, all right? It's just my opinion. I don't know if it's going to happen, right? I'm not psychic here, right? Price could very well bounce off of this support that we're trading at, 66,700, and just start flying. But I think this level is going to be a little bit too obvious, in my opinion, for it to hold. So that's why I would like to see it drop a little bit lower, and then eventually fly, maybe around 61K, 62K, and then we see this thing just take off towards 100K essentially. So we'll have to see how this plays out, though. But that's really what I would like to see for crypto. I kind of hope that it falls a little bit lower, but we'll see. We are about 10 minutes out from the open, family. 10 minutes out from the open. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. Go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't done so just yet. Big shout out to all you guys too that are new, finding me for the first time here on YouTube. I appreciate y'all so much. Hopefully I can provide you guys with enough value, enough entertainment as well. Not just education, but also entertainment, so that you can continue to come back and be a part of the Wealthy Visions family officially. A part of the 1003 gang officially. So thank you guys for showing up today, man. I appreciate y'all. You guys are great. All right, let's see what else we got here. Let me see. Rubina in the building. I ain't even noticed you, Rubina. What's going on, Rubina? How you doing? Call 33 peeps out for London session. Okay. Yeah, shout out to you, Rubina. You've been also one that's been rocking with me for a little while now, so I appreciate you. Always good seeing you in the chat, man. All right, let's see what else we got here. I need 1,300 to go past my challenge. I'm so damn close. Let's go, JJ. Come on, JJ. You can do it, bro. Just keep your composure, control your emotions, and just make logical decisions, man. You could be all right. Remember what it says at the top of the screen here, family. At the top of the screen, what does it say? It says check your emotions at the door, man. We got to check our emotions every single day we show up. So as long as you check your emotions, bro, and make logical decisions, that 1,300 is light work. Light work. It's like extremely light work. Like for real. Let's see, to join the Discord, absolutely. Freezone, I appreciate you, my brother. See, Freezone, that's why you got the blue name, my brother. That's why you got the wrench, my brother, because you are more than aware of the fact that the promo is good. So I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. So yeah, family, we're still waiting here, still being patient. What's NASDAQ doing? The NASDAQ still is chilling here. Again, I am favoring sells for right now, but things can change ever so quickly. Like I'm talking about real quick, this could flip. All right, I am favoring sells right now because of the position we're at in price. But if this flips bullish here, right, and it's very aggressive, then I'm just gonna flip bullish as well. And we're gonna ride out the buys if we have to. All right, so we're gonna let the market dictate what we want to do here. We are about 8 minutes out, so you know after the open, we'll really dictate to see what we can do here. But listen, we've been on fire. The past couple weeks have been a little break even-ish, but overall we've been crushing it, man, since we started streaming live again here. It's crazy. It's only been a month now since I started going live full time with y'all, but it seems like it's been forever. That's nuts. Let's see, I'm not really saying anything playing off any areas of interest, maybe oil short, but don't want to chase anything by only look at gold, oil, and the SPX. That boy Renee, so proud of you, bro. You know why I'm proud of you, Renee? You still pushing, bro. You still doing what you gotta do to trade, bro. Grateful for you. Again, you know what's crazy, family? If y'all don't know, especially anybody that's from Texas, right? Anytime I went to Houston specifically, hospitality was through the roof. I always got a lot of love. I always had a lot of support out there in Houston. A big reason why I always had a lot of love and a lot of support and the hospitality was through the roof was because of Mr. Take Profit in the chat. All right, so big shout out to my brother Renee, man. Nothing but love. Definitely sending your way, bro. You always took care of me anytime I was in Houston. Literally stayed at your crib multiple times. Did multiple events with you. I'm grateful for you, bro. So shout out to all my Houstonians in the building, man. Like I told y'all, man, I feel like Houston loves me the most out of every state in this country, or every city, besides my hometown, of course. But yeah, y'all show me a hella love, man. I gotta go back. Gotta go back. We gonna eventually go back to Houston, throw some parties, make some money. Yeah. Let's see what else we got here. What's your looks at gold? That's a good question. Right now, it's kind of tough for me, right? Because actually, this thing did pull back kind of nicely. Holy moly! I didn't even realize we just pulled back like this. Man, this 23, this level right here is very strong. 23, 24 level is pretty significant here. Because I still like the continuations lower here. I'm not even gonna lie. I do like the continuations to the downside long term. But right now, this is not telling me to sell just yet. I don't have a reason to sell just yet, but I am liking the longer term sells. I just don't have anything yet for me to take. But we are going to keep our eyes on this stuff, man, because, again, depending on how we continue to play here at this level of structure, we might still be able to take a possible short if that's what the market wants us to do. Again, I'm going to let the market dictate what we trade here. I'm going to let price action tell me what it really wants to do. But yeah, I do kind of like the sells longer term here. It's just on the smaller time frames, the thing that makes the most sense on these 5-minute, 15-minute time frames are buys. But when we go to the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, all of them look like shorts make the most sense. So higher time frame from the 1 hour and up is telling me to look for shorts, continue to sell. But the 5-minute and lower, what's the 15-minute doing? And 15-minute too. What's 30-minute? 30-minute too. All right, so 30-minute and down is telling me buys. 1 hour and up is telling me sells. So I'm going to let the market dictate what it wants me to do. All right, and that's going to happen in the next 5 minutes to see what happens after the open here. Depending on what happens on the open is going to tell me what I need to do next, depending on how we play off of that. So let's see how this goes, family. All right, family, do we have any recommendations in the chat, by the way? Anybody got any tunes that they want me to play real quick as we wait for the next 5 minutes? Any requests? You guys know DJ Abel's here. DJ Abel in the mix. I've been practicing my DJ tag. DJ Abel in the mix. Let me know. Let's see. Facts TP, one of the first hitters I met. One reason I kept going when I was a wee little rookie. Yeah, we had mad people, bro. We used to have mad fun in Houston, though. Like, we used to have so much fun in Houston. No cap. Houston is the best. We take care of our people. Now, the hospitality in Houston, honestly, I think all of down south is very similar. Right? Like, you'll be very, it's very hard to find. I mean, it's not that hard. If you really look, you can find them. But, you know, most people down south, you could tell they're just raised different. Right? They're very hospitable. They're very nice. Right? When you walk down the street anywhere down south, like, people want to actually say hi to you. All right? And interact with you and wave to you. You do that upstate, or you do that in New York, if you look at somebody and just make eye contact, they feel like it's a problem. Right? If you rub somebody's shoulder, you better get ready to throw your hands. What you mean? Why you throwing? What you rubbing my shoulder for, bro? We got problems? That's New Yorkers for you. You really don't understand how aggressive New Yorkers are until you actually leave New York, which is crazy. Like, New Yorkers are hella aggressive, bro, for no reason. Like, come on, man. Like, what's up? Let's see what else we got here. All right, you want that lamb chop? Lamb chop. Are you talking about lamb chop from Tyrone? Or are you talking about lamb chop from, like, an actual artist? Or like a mainstream artist, actually, not an actual. I'm pretty sure if I look up lamb chops, there's probably a lot of lamb chops in the a lot of lamb chops. Let's see why it's hard for me to leave the South. Honestly, I'm a big fan of the South. You know why I'm a big fan of the South as well? For one, the states that I would move to have no state taxes. Florida, Texas, aka, or Puerto Rico. No state, or is it no state or no federal taxes? One of them, right? Save money on taxes down south. Down south, beautiful weather. I love sun. I love palm trees. Now we do got to be aware of the tornadoes and the hurricanes and shit. But I'll take that. That's fine. Right, there's great food because there's a lot of Hispanics down south. Like a lot of Hispanics, and you guys know I love my Hispanic food because I'm Hispanic. Right, so there's a lot of positives to being down south. The only thing that turns me off is like the tornadoes and the hurricanes and the shit like that. The natural disasters is kind of crazy, but other than that, man, I love me down south. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, this song right here is tough. I don't know if you guys heard this song before, but again, this is another gospel play for y'all. Shout out to Hovey. This song is an absolute banger. I'm not even gonna lie. What y'all know about that? Give me a second, y'all. Let me get my daughter situated real quick. Alright, let's see, family. We do got the open here. Let's see what happens here on the open. Let's see what we get here on the open, family. Let's see, gold buy. I mean, I'm not opposed to gold buys. I'm actually favoring. I'm favoring longer term sells, but there is a chance that we do continue to buy up here. Like lower time frame is telling me look for the buy, but higher time frame is telling me look for the sell on gold. So I'm chilling on that right now. I need a little bit more for that. Let's see, we did get an initial spike up on the NASDAQ, spike down on the S&P and US 30 though. Holy moly. Have me. Now that song is a banger. But look at US 30, bro. Holy moly. The S&P as well. The NASDAQ. Now you're about to flip bearish? Now you're about to flip bearish, huh? You little dirty dog, you. Yeah, US 30 though. Famo. US 30 with a 100-point drop just like that. A 100-point drop just like that, US 30. Like, whoa, buddy. Holy moly. The S&P as well is making moves. Right, it's around a 60-point drop. The NASDAQ hasn't actually moved yet. What is up with you, NASDAQ? Are you like telling me, yo, Abel, I'm waiting for you to get in, buddy? Because I still got 2 more minutes. Again, I don't take trades in the first 5 minutes of the open, family, because the market does a lot of craziness. Like, look at this nonsense from the NASDAQ, right? Spike down and now spike back up and then spike back down. Like, that's why I avoid usually the first 5 minutes of the open here. This is unfortunate though, because like now it's going to be very tough to try to trade US 30 unless we're going to be looking for like a reason to try to buy this thing back up, right? And then there are certain areas that we could probably keep our eye on, like maybe this wick fill can probably produce a little bit of, you know, buyer momentum, but then there's also a wick over here. I don't know, I'm not a fan of trying to chase that. I prefer to probably look for the continuations of sells, if anything. So we gotta continue to watch this. Oh no, this is one of those songs you really hear at a church. Y'all know about this. Come to the altar. Alright, let's see. I was watching you when it was IML TV before Go Live, learning from you, set my foundation of trading with market structure and tech analysis. You was my trading mentor before you even knew me. Let's go. Then I was blessed enough to become friends with you. Then we learned smart money and wake up. We just kept evolving. Let's go. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Renee. Let's go, man. Let's see. Watch the buy coming soon for US 30. Listen, Devin, man. You let me know. You let me know. Because I'm not opposed to it. Just tough. Let's see. Yep, 30. You have to be careful with the sells. Abel, you don't see shorts are washed out on NQ above 1907. Yeah, see now look at the Nasdaq now pushing. All right, we had an initial little spike down, but now we're pushing out. Is the S&P gonna try to follow suit? See, this is the thing that we can do, right? There's something called indice divergence. I don't know if that's a real thing, but I know I leverage it a lot. Right? What I mean by indice divergence is normally by the end of today, these indices will be moving more so closely in direction. Right? US 30 is always going to be a little different just because, again, it is measured and weighed a little differently than US 30 and the S&P, but more times than not, they still end up closing the day in a similar direction. So when you're noticing like a divergence between the two, right? Like the Nasdaq right now is pushing to the upside, but yet the S&P and US 30 are falling. This is where we got to put our thinking hat on and be like, okay, which one of you is lying? Which one of you guys are lying right now, right? Because if we can figure out which one is lying, which is really just the one that's either lagging or the leader, then it can help us out, right? Like looking at the Nasdaq, this thing is very bullish, right? So the Nasdaq flipping bullish the way that it is that giving us a sign that maybe the S&P can also flip bullish? Or is the Nasdaq showing us that the S&P is probably the more dominant and this is probably eventually going to fall down as well and start to collapse? Hey, we'll have to see. We'll have to see, man. Again, we're not in a rush, family. Trust me, a lot of my trades, they have been coming until later on in the session, like damn near 10 o'clock is when like our trades are like right there ready for us to take. So we're not in no rush. We're not going to force anything neither. We're going to be patient with this and we're going to find the right opportunity and we're going to attack. We going to freaking attack. All right. Perfect. Cool. All right. Let me see what we got here. Let me see if I get some tunes going real quick. I know what y'all want. Y'all want turn up music. All right, let's see what we got here. What you doing, Naz? Now you pushing back down? US 30 just took out this low here. US 30 just took out this low. What US 30 about to do? You about to give a... That's a brolic sell candle though, bro. We did sweep this low though, but that's like the only thing that I have right now that could probably justify a buy. It's just the fact that we swept this low, but that's not enough for me. That's not enough for me, man. I see. You in there? Yeah, it's not enough for me, bro, to get in. I'm chilling. I need a little bit more, man. I need a little bit more. Let's see. I see buys. What's gold doing? Oh, gold is still dry. That's what I'm saying. Higher time frame is telling me gold is gonna drop hard. Higher time frame is telling me we got a lot of downside to go for gold. A lower time frame is now starting to shift. Let's see how we go. Let's see. Let's see. What is oil doing? Because you guys are over here chatting on oil. Oil. Yeah, oil is starting to push back. Oil's trying to fall a little bit. Did you guys see the news? By the way, I don't know how it's gonna affect oil. But did you guys just see the news that was it Saudi Arabia? Can't remember. Was it Saudi Arabia or some? Alright, let's see. I'm still watching this stuff, by the way. Let me actually set my alerts before I miss out on something, man. I'm gonna set alert above this 5-minute high on gold. And I'm gonna I'm gonna set alert below this 1 hour low here on gold as well. So we have gold trapped right now, right? So if gold hits one of my alerts, I know it's time to get ready. The Nasdaq coming all the way back down, boy. What I tell y'all, see, this is how you gotta see if one of them's lying or not. The Nasdaq looked like it was lying with this little pump fake. Let's see how this closes though, right? If this ends up closing as this 5-minute engulfing, boy, below our trigger line, it's gonna be a little bit of a wider stop, but oh yeah, this is probably gonna drizzy drop. Let me see. Oh, this motherfucking crazy.
You thought I forgot about us. I know that you know I don't fold under pressure. I'm back on the road, I get low on the pedal. We live by the codes of the ghetto.
Hold on, why am I not logged into this shit? Hold on, family.
I'm treating this shit like a demo. I'm putting my heart and my soul in this shit and some more. I'm in that Dolce Gabbana. I might get out the Madonna. I get it crack in the summer. Strapped in the lack in the Hummer. Friend of the paint in my pocket. All this lingo got a pain is to driving. Fuck the fame, I'm sipping lean when I'm driving. All this cash in it ain't nowhere to hide it. I'm an addict and I can't even hide it. Don't you panic, panoramic.
All right, let's see. Real question: when you look at oil, what is it saying? And yes, Dixie pushes to the upside. Yeah, that deal is no longer. Yeah, they stopped using the U.S. dollar. It was Saudi Arabia, right? Yeah, I know. I had read that. I forgot what it was. And I only asked that because, again, that's going to affect oil. That's going to have some type of effect on oil. I'm just not sure what effect it will have. But in terms of the NASDAQ family, again, if this, like, this looks pretty solid so far. We did get a 5-minute closure. It's like right on our freaking trigger line. But we did get a nice little 5-minute closure here too. Yeah, this don't look bad for the sell here. This do not look bad for the sell. I'm still waiting though, being a little patient. But it don't look too bad. Come on, refresh, reload. Decline. Yeah, let's see how we flip here. If we could flip back, that would be crazy. If we could flip back down here, flip back bearish, that would be nice. I might consider taking it. Let me see what you guys are talking about in the chat, though. I'm still chilling. Trust me, you guys will know when I'm actually in a trade because it will literally pop up on the screen. I'm still chilling. This NASDAQ came all the way back up to the upside. What's the S&P doing? I mean, it's trying. See, US 30 is still falling, though. Gold, what are you doing? Gold is trying to come back up as well. The NASDAQ, man, if this ends up flipping back down, family, I'm taking it, though. Like, if this flips back down, I'm definitely taking it. We'll have to see, though. We'll have to see. All right, in the meantime, let me get some tunes, man. I need some tunes, man. I need some tunes. Let's see, right above it, Lil Wayne. I haven't heard that song in forever. Golly. All right, gold is moving. Gold is moving. Let's see. Okay, gold is starting to flip back to the upside here. What you about to do, gold? Again, I was favoring sell side on gold, but if the buy is what shows itself, then the buy is what shows itself. If you close like this, boy, stops below the lows. Oh, yeah. This could be one of them ones, family. Target right up to there. This could be one of them ones, family. Let's see how it closes here. All right, let me play this song. Yo, can y'all believe this song is 14 years old, bro? Like, can y'all actually believe that? Like, that ain't crazy? That this song is 14 years old? There's some of you young bucks that never even heard this song before. It's kind of crazy to me. Like, there's some young bucks that never even heard this song. Like, what? Flying Hollywood to the Hollywood. And they want to tell you something that you probably should know. This is Slumdog Millionaire Bollywood flow and fake friends always wrong answers on the mirror for me. Ooh. This is that shit right here. I wrote the vivid rules and walked on different shoes. Got different moves. I never get to I like women. I like my chicks and tools. All the girls is down the pole. Plus I've been sipping, so this shit is moving kinda slow. Just tell my girl to tell a friend that it's time to go. Damn, the NASDAQ came all the way back down too. I'm telling you, the NASDAQ gonna fall. Young mother junker. I kinda like this buy here. I kinda like this buy here on gold too. We did get what we wanted. Push up, higher high, higher low, engulfing off of the support, off the 50 bounce, close above our trigger line. Yeah, I kind of like this. X Games, sex chains, got chest pains, just like Jesse James. Hold on, family. I want to make sure on the plane. Playing in the sand. What's the NASDAQ doing? Is it fall? Yeah, see the S&P and US 30 are still falling, bro. There's even GER 40 right now is falling. The NASDAQ is holding up. I don't think there's anywhere the NASDAQ will hold up. Next game. Well, Birdman Jr. I don't know, bro. Like, the NASDAQ looks like it wants to go lower. Gold look like it want to go a little higher though, but gold is throwing me off. What's the dollar doing? Hold on. The dollar is still holding strong above these highs. Family, what are you guys in? Are you guys in anything, family? Let me know. Let's see, Isaiah in the building. What's going on, Isaiah? I appreciate you for tuning in, my brother. Let's see, I can't believe people were born in 2000 or turned 24. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's crazy. That's actually really crazy. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Like, when you actually think about it, like, that's really insane, bro. Gun in my boot, and I don't fight back because I shoot first. Nah, that one is a beggar. Yo, they actually this whole little mixtape or album was actually tough. He said I'm single. Alright, let's see. I might take this buy, family. I'm probably going to be taking this buy. Yeah, I'm looking at this buy on gold. Just playing the 5-minute closure above. We got essentially what we really wanted. Alright, so I did take a buy here on gold, family. I did take a buy here on gold. Only one contract? I thought I put more contracts than one. if I were to add. Two contracts? I'm not gonna make no money on that. Alright, we're just gonna let that rock. Two contracts, that's cool. Alright, so I did take this buy here on gold, family. I'm gonna try to see if we can just get back to the 2337. This current high right now. Once we get up to the current high, which is about a 1-to-1, I'm really gonna see how we play off here. Because remember what I told y'all, right? Like, I'm really liking sells to continue here for gold on the higher time frame. Higher time frame, I'm bearish gold. A lower time frame, I can see potential for another test to the highs here, right? So that's what I'm literally going to be hoping for here on gold, is the fact that we come up, we retest the highs. Hopefully we can run the highs and go ahead and, you know, get towards our TP at around the 2350 level, which is going to give us 2.5 to 1 risk to reward, which is really, really good. All right, 2.5 to 1 is always a phenomenal risk to reward, minimum risk to reward that I typically would like to take. There's times where I would take a 1-to-1 risk to reward, but it doesn't happen often. So I like this. Hopefully we can go ahead and make our way towards RT Pizzle. But I am going to watch it when we get up to the 2337 here based on futures pricing. Again, family, if you guys are coming from the Forex markets or the futures side of things, I analyze both, right? I analyze both sides because the pricing is different, right? So if you guys are looking at the screen right now and you see the ticker is MGC, that's because I'm trading futures right here, right? This is a futures prop firm that we're trading on. So the ticker is going to be different. The ticker for futures on gold is going to be MGC. For trading gold when you're trading Forex, that is the traditional XAU USD that we're all used to, that we're all accustomed to, that we're all comfortable with, right? So that's why it looks a little bit different, you know, when you're looking at this stuff, okay? But the pricing is also different. Like the pricing right now for gold is 23.31 on the future side and it's 23.14 on the Forex side. That's a big difference, bro. That's about a 20 pip difference or so, which is pretty big. So be mindful of that, family. When I am analyzing the markets, more times than not, it's going to be based on futures pricing for a lot of these assets. So please be mindful of that and look at the structure levels that I'm trading. Not necessarily the price point, because it could be different depending on what you're looking at. But the structure and just pretty much compare what structure points I'm looking at and try to use that if anything. But we did take a buy here on gold. I wish I kind of went a little bit heavier, but it's cool. So let's see how this plays out, family. Again, hey, listen, family, job is done. We did our job, right? We did our job. We were patient. We were disciplined. We waited for the right setup. We found a decent opportunity that has a high probability of still playing out. We did everything we had to do. Now it's up to the market to decide on what it wants to do. We did what we wanted to do. Now the market has to follow suit. But that's out of our control. Remember what I tell y'all. We need to focus on the controllables. Everything that we can control, we just did. What happens next is out of our control. So we don't care about that. We just let it play out. Right? We trusted ourselves. We found a good setup. Most importantly, we didn't over leverage. I dare you guys to say that. How many of you guys can actually say that you did not over leverage today? Family, look at me right now. I'm looking at you in your eyes. I'm talking to you. How many of y'all can actually sit there with a straight face and tell me that y'all didn't over leverage? Listen, y'all can lie to me all y'all want. Just don't lie to yourself. Alright, because I know for a fact there's a big majority of y'all that over leveraged. And you're literally sitting there saying, Abel, I didn't over leverage, knowing damn well that you're lying. Like, come on, family. Come on. Come on now. Come on, man. I'm just being honest. Come on. I'm just saying. Let's see. US 30 melting face off the face of Earth. What's the US indices? Oh my God, US 30 did fall kind of hard. The S&P kind of fell. Oh my God, the Nasdaq, bro. This was another good setup, family. What did I tell y'all? These things were gonna look so good, man. I was leaning towards sells on these things too, man. Now watch this, right? I was leaning towards sells on those. I kind of like longer term sells on gold, but we ended up taking the short term buy. Let's see how this plays out, man. Let's see. Play the good, the bad, the ugly by Kanye. Okay. Listen, Kanye did us good a little bit. You said the good, the bad, the ugly by Kanye. I can't even find that. Play the good, the bad, the ugly by Kanye. Hold on, I'm about to. Let me see. I'm about to go to YouTube for this. Oh, this is old Kanye, huh? Hold on. The good, the bad, the ugly Kanye. What is this? Am I not finding it? Oh, featuring Consequence. Okay. Damn, this came out 15 years ago, bro. What the hell? Yeah, this is like off of Kanye's first project, bro. What the hell? All right, let's see. Nope, just chilling. I didn't. Okay, I didn't over leverage. Okay. Okay. Let's see who else. Isaiah said I can't cap to you. listen, being honest is the first step to transformation, bro. You know who Sauce Walker is? Of course. Sauce Walker's him. I'm gonna be honest. I started following Sauce Walker for his antics outside of music. Like his antics outside of music is what really started, getting me to follow him. But then I listened to his music and he's actually very lyrical. Like you would not think that Sauce Walker is as lyrical as he is, but he actually is pretty lyrical. Let's see. Ninja said I plead the fifth. to keep it a buck, I almost lost both accounts over leveraging and being impatient. Yeah. So holding gold buys, missing this, he sell-offs, gotta go. Everyone, all right, Free Zone, appreciate you, my brother. Let's see, Kanye Can't Tell Me Nothing. Again, that's another one of his classics. For sure. Let's go bring up some Sauce Walker. You said the ghetto gospel. You want ghetto gospel 1, 2, 3? Or you want the actual song, ghetto gospel? Oh, ghetto gospel 3. Got you. He said, yo, Abel, play that Sauce Walker. I mean, family, can we be honest? Have you guys ever heard anybody say, yo, play that Sauce Walker when you got in your car? Or any car? Is there no shade to Sauce Walker? Again, I'm a fan, right? But have y'all ever heard anybody say, yo, play that Sauce Walker, bro? Besides Renee? besides Take Profit? Hey, yo, all my Texas folks, don't hate me. I'm just joking. It's jokes. It's jokes. Chill. Cause I know y'all Texas folks be riding together, man. Holy moly. Y'all Texas folks be riding together, bro. Sheesh. Alright, let's see. I want to play this with Babyface Ray. Hold on, this beat is a classic beat. Where did I hear this beat from? This is a Lil Wayne beat. Let's see. Money, weed. Dolce, money, weed. Money, weed. Ain't that this song? I got money, weed. Money, weed. Money. Ain't that the same beat? Or am I tripping? Let's see, y'all sleep on Slim Thug? I'll be honest, I haven't listened to Slim Thug. I heard songs from him, but like his older songs. I ain't listening to no Slim Thug recently. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's see, I've been stuck on 50, the most authentic of all time. Lewis, what's your favorite 50 song, bro? What's your favorite 50 song? Yeah, this beat is definitely that Wheezy song. Hold on. Yeah, see, it's definitely the same beat. Yeah, this is definitely that. See, I knew I wasn't tripping. I knew I heard that before. I'm like, hold on, I heard that little background. I heard that before. Okay. All right, let's see. Peso. Hey, drop a Peso song, local. I rock with Peso.
Dark clouds in the ghetto, one like Achilles trying to dodge every arrow. This ain't no Olympics, champions don't win a medal.
Let's see. You want to play Many Man? Many Man's a banger.
Trying to sell a LO, get a nugget, Carmelo. Deep down in Texas, you just gotta beat their road.
Nah, bro. Yo, Sauce Walker really do be spitting, bro.
Deep down in Texas, you just gotta beat their road. I was out in Florida, down in Quincy, cutting elbows. Put the bitch down in
Tampa Bay ain't no boat. Still made a hundo. Shout out to Jack Boy, man. What was the song? You said Many Men. Many Men is a banger, bro. Oh my god. This is really a classic. This is really a classic. Shout out to Gold, by the way, family. 1003 gang almost here. We 2 minutes out from the 1003 gang. Let's get it. Man, the NASDAQ came all the way back up. S&P too? Yeah, everything is pushing right back on up now, too, after these falls. With death upon me. How can we remix to a Trader's edition of this? How can we remix this to a Trader's edition? Uh-huh. Many Men, family, we up around 40 pips right now on gold. We up around 30 pips on gold. We up 30 pips on gold. Let's get it. Got money in my head. I ain't dead. And I just ain't found. Yeah. Okay, 50. Yeah, send our trade 50. We have 40 pips on gold, family. We have 40 pips on gold. Let's go. Lose it. Lose it. Facts. Many men wish death upon me, Lord. I don't. Yo. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men. Many men. Wish death sunny days wouldn't be special if it wasn't for rain. Joy wouldn't feel so good if it wasn't for pain. Death gotta be easy, cause life is hard. It'll leave you physically, mentally, and emotionally scarred. This is Facts. For my niggas on the block, twisting trees and cigars. For the niggas on lock, doing life behind bars. I don't see only God can judge me, cause I see things clear. Quick, these crackers will give my black ass 100 years. I'm like Paulie and Goodfellas, you can call me the Don. Like Malcolm by any means, with my gun in my palm. Slim switch sides on me, let niggas ride on me. I thought we was cool, why you want me to die, homie? Still flowing around 30 pips, family. We're still chilling right now. We still chilling, many man. 1003 gang, stand up, family. Try to drop a 1003 in the chat. Can I get a 1003 in the chat, family? 1003 in the chat. 1003 in the chat. Let's go. It's 1003, family. Let's get it. Have mercy on me. Many men.
I know he protected me, but I still stay with my gut and my nightmares. Niggas keep pulling checks on me.
Said that hustler ambition, y'all really going back.
Didn't know much when Pop got shot. I got a kite from the pins that told me Tuck got knocked. I ain't gonna spell it out.
Yo, you want to know what I want to play? I want to play. Hold on, family. Hold on. I'm about to bring it back. Hold on, fam. I'm about to bring it back. Yeah, I gotta bring it back.
America got a thing for this gangster shit. They love me. Black chuckers, black scully, leather pele pele. I take spit over rainbow shit. I'm a vandal, got that silver duct tape on my tray handle. The women in my life bring confusion and shit. So like Nino, we knew Jack. I'll cancel that bitch. Look
oh my God, he goes crazy.
This is the life I chose. Niggas around me so cold. Man, my heart gun froze.
Hey man, what y'all know about this song right here, family? All my New Yorkers better stand the fuck up right now, baby. Come on now, baby. Family, we still in this trade right now. We're up around 20 pips, nothing crazy. I'm not too happy on how slow it moves, but I can't dictate how fast this thing goes. But we are currently up around 20 pips or so. Nowhere near safe, but we gonna let it ride out, man. I got a semi-automatic deck next time if you talk. Shout out to all my New Yorkers, man. I really love New Yorkers, man. Even though y'all aggressive as hell. Hey, man, that's where I'm from, baby. Born and raised. And I know you niggas is pussy punani for Johnny. Excuse my language. But all the time we on fire. Highly dipped in octane. Let East Coast, let West Coast. The ghetto gospel. At the speed of sound. Running their mouth. Man, NASDAQ came all the way back up. Running their mouth. Baby, up here in New York. Let's see, Dixie Bulls. I mean, that's what it's looking right now. Like, this bull is, yeah, this thing is really continuing to go higher at this point. We probably do continue a little bit higher here on the dollar for sure. That's what I would think at least. It's down from New York. I could see the cook in your nose. Going to find God. Rather find a menage. See, every man need to listen to 50 I'm the Man in the morning. I don't think I've heard that. I might have to myself. Shit. Think you need to get back down there? yeah, the NASDAQ reversed mad quick. Like super quick, bro. Like the last rhyme book. It's the Phantom. Bring around Phantom. I'm from New York. Amy, do we got any New Yorkers in here, man? Where my New Yorkers at? How come I ain't see y'all amped up about me playing New York? Like, y'all don't rock with Ja Rule or something? Like, what's up? Like, what's up? How I'm a cheater, like it rich. Like the American Online. With your eyes open. Let's see, because we don't listen to this? What? Y'all don't listen to Ja Rule? Let's say BX and it's because it's Ja. Big fact. 50 disrespected Ja Rule, so y'all don't like Ja Rule because 50 said so? Damn, that's crazy. So I will get canceled for playing this right now in New York? So I will get canceled for playing this in New York right now. Is that what y'all telling me? He said 50 wouldn't approve of us rocking. I'm just saying. Like, I'll get canceled? I bet. Say less. I got something that won't get me canceled. Again, listen, you gotta really be a real New Yorker to know this. If you don't never heard this before, then it's either you're too young, or you're not really from New York, man.
To the arena. Yeah. Many MCs have fell flat on their face. Yeah. Boom. 5 different beats by DJ Wonder, Sway in the morning, shade 4-5, Papoose. Check me out now. Real hip hop, Sway in the morning. Yo, check me out now.
Hold on, is this where he says it?
Papoose, yo.
Papoose.
I rock a watch with large stones. Do it for the love of hip hop like Mom Jones. My mom's memorized. Y'all read out of y'all phones. Nothing but a bunch
don't know
of
about
dumb
this right here.
with smartphones. Best dressing and carry the best weapons. Fuck the Marriott, I hustle at the Best Western. You ain't the best peasant, you just my next breakfast. Gangsters speak face to face, fuck a text message. I make the best records and prep them in 10 seconds. You a salad toss, I'll splatter your friends.
Y'all don't know about this.
You get your head severed, I promise you death's pleasant. Down your
Let's see, low-key job about to make me unsubscribe. Hold on. We gotta talk about this, right? You said low-key job about to make me unsubscribe. Yo! Nah, there's no way, bro. There's no way y'all are hating on Ja Rule that much. Where'd all this animosity come from? In the early 2000s, y'all wasn't saying that. Y'all wasn't saying that when he was singing, "Oh, is there when you call?" Oh, y'all was singing that at the top of your lungs. Can we be honest? Or put it on me. Like, let's be honest here. Y'all was singing that stuff when he was out in 2000s. And now y'all want to act like y'all don't rock with Ja Rule, bro. This is shit that y'all the same type of people that were clowning Drake for the whole shit with Kendrick, but yet are still listening to Drake today and don't even listen to no Kendrick. Don't get me going. Y'all those type of fans, man. Y'all those fans that are publicly shaming Drake, but are privately still bumping his music. And don't even have no Kendrick in your playlist. I know you guys now. Y'all, Ja Rule, I appreciate you because you just gave me an enlightenment that I probably would have never put 2 and 2 together. But you just gave it to me, Ja Rule. I see what y'all doing. Y'all think y'all funny, bro. Okay, that's the type of crowd we have today. Okay, I see it. Okay, hold on. Now y'all got me changing the mood real quick. Hold on, where's that, man? I need the actual real freestyle from Papoose. I got the 5 fingers of death. You don't understand. I got New York City in the palm of my hand. If I could make a duck ridiculous, something like that, then I could change it with a New York reminiscence. I get the clap, get the slap, y'all remember that? Y'all don't know about that type of Papoose, man. Come on, bro. Y'all don't know about that. I'm surprised I even remembered that. What is that, man? What was that song, bro? Is it the 5 fingers? Did he say it on this? He said, I get the clack and get the pack and get the mac and get the lacking. Nah, he went crazy for that. Holy moly, he went nuts. Let's see, Big L is true New York. Yeah, shout out to Big L, man. Big L really is true New York. I'm not even gonna lie. Big L, if he was, yeah, he really is one of the greatest, but he's also one of those that is completely slept on. Most people don't talk about him for some reason. Most people don't even know who Big L is. Like, I bet you 90% of the chat have never even heard of who Big L is. Like, let's be honest here. That's just a fact. That's a fact. like y'all ain't, like, that's a fact. Let's see, Ja has been, yeah. Yo, Drew said, bro, we in 2024, bro. Oh, don't bring me into he sing for girls, he sound like the Cookie Monster. Oh my god, Remy did do him dirty. Touch It, that's, yo, Will, I love you for that, Will. It is in the Touch It remix. Wow. It is in the Touch It remix. Nah, that's crazy. I forgot about that. This remix is freaking like 30 minutes long, though, so I'm gonna go straight to Papooses part if I can find it. Hold on.
We done created another epidemic for the street, nigga. That's when y'all thought it was safe to
Yo, you know when you turn on a beat or you turn on a song and the beat is so hard that it makes your face squint? You're like, oh shit, this shit is a banger. I actually seen that meme going viral lately on social media, but it's so true. This beat is one of those beats where it really makes your face like, oh shit, that shit hit. As of right now, family, we're still flowing around 20 pips on gold, by the way, just a quick update.
I know you thought we was finished.
Oh my god. Nah. They don't know about this right here.
Remix part 3. Remix part 3. Remix part 3.
Y'all really don't know about this right here. If you never heard this song, If you never heard this song before, I'm sorry. You're too young for me, bro. You're too young for me, bro.
Who you know that got a
Got
flow
so sick.
Pump shot
But it's all this sick.
Them hoes iron, they probably own my dick. Chocolate look good on my old Turn it up. You know I stay with the skates. Don't need
With the back, with the vent to the bar, with the kiss to the bar.
first human being that can learn how to fly. And
Huh.
I'm going to be on my way out of ride. I know it feels like I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back chinchilla ice on.
So with the fitted.
Everybody talk money, everybody gon' live it. That bull bread small in the arm. You know I'm doing my thing, it's blue and green. If you had it like this, you
Probably do it the same, but you don't cause you broke. I'ma let to the
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it, touch it, bring it.
He said Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. Oh my god, bro. You guys are bringing up some oldies that I haven't heard in a while, bro. Sheesh.
Poos had to get on this club bang, gonna smack you in your mouth, make you swallow your pump razor, pop a couple bottles, laugh about it with
Listen to this right here. Hold on. I gotta replay this. Please focus on this. Please listen to this, family. Listen to Pat Poos.
Had to get on this club bang, gonna smack you in your mouth, make you swallow your pump razor, pop a couple bottles, laugh about it with bust later. Bear
Meet
witness,
me
I'm
on
the young
this.
savior. Got Staten Island on my pinky,
Queens of the dumb dude, Bronx in them screaming F you. Got Manhattan and the ring finger. You know I gotta keep on the trigger finger. You don't understand. I got New York City in the palm of my hand. If I could make a tight fist and I could slap them with this New York. I get the crack, bit the cracking.
Pick up a different magnum, then attack him. When I grab him, triggers blasting with a passion, get it cracking, the assassin. We let him.
Oh my god, bro. He went crazy. Holy moly. Alright, that's the only part I want to listen to was Pat Poos's part. Because he went stupid just there. Holy moly, he went stupid. Like, did he not go stupid just there? Like, am I tripping? Am I the only one that just heard him go stupid? Oh my god, Pat Poos. Alright, fam, we are back at break even on gold. We gotta let this play out. We're gonna let it see how it goes. But we are back break even. Now we just gotta let it play out. Alright, let's see what else we got here though. Classic beat New York rap is undefeated. I agree with that, bro. I agree with that 100%. It really is. Let's see. I see you guys got a ton of recommendations. Put on Big Dog with Benny the Butcher. What you know about Benny the Butcher, bro? What you know about Benny the Butcher, bro? You really don't know nobody about Benny the Butcher, bro. There's no way. What you know about Benny the Butcher? That everyone and their moms was on this remix. You know what I'm saying? There really was 1,000 remixes to that Touch It remix. That shit was funny. What a time to be alive, man. Flip mode. Let's see. What's good, Abel? It's been a minute since I said anything in the chat. Anthony in the building. What's going on, Anthony? But how you feeling about this new Apple update integrating with OpenAI and ChatGPT? That is an interesting question. And I don't even know how I feel about it, to be honest with you. Because that's kind of scary if we actually allow Apple to integrate ChatGPT into our phones and have direct access to everything that we do, which then they can go ahead and use it in whenever. I don't know if I'm a fan of that. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I really don't know how I feel about that. What I do know is that Elon Musk, if you go to Elon, I don't know how many of you guys leverage Twitter, man, but y'all need to, right? Because Twitter is really where it's at. But Elon Musk has been very vocal against it. Like, literally yesterday, he was all over Twitter saying why we shouldn't do it, why he's going to sue Apple if they do it. He literally said that if Apple does go and incorporates ChatGPT, that he will never allow any of his businesses to ever do anything with Apple or anybody with ChatGPT or OpenAI, and this is crazy because a lot of people don't know, but Elon Musk was a part of OpenAI's team. Like Elon Musk was a part of the reason why we have ChatGPT, and he doesn't even want Apple to partner with them. So I don't know, bro. There's a lot to it, but Elon Musk he's literally telling people not to do it. So I don't know. I really don't have much else I can go off of though. All right, let's see the ribbon crunch kick. Truthfully, the ribbon crunch is starting to like leave my body now. I'm starting to get a little bit more mellowed out. Let's see, Fabulous Make Me Better. Damn, that is a classic, bro. You make me better. You make me better. You don't even know it. That's the song y'all want. Y'all want to listen to Rick Ross over here admit to drugging a girl? Like, why ain't Rick Ross get canceled for this song? Can we be honest? Why didn't Rick Ross get canceled for this song right here, or for his verse on this song? He admitted to like sexual assault and drugging a woman, which is kind of crazy. You don't even know it. Damn, this song was a banger too. All right, we're back up around 10 pips. We're back up around 10 pips here on Gold Family. Niggas all ride with me, you don't even know it. Nah, this was a banger though. You don't even know it. Yeah. Don't like snakes, keep my grad cut so low, can't even more. Sip done, period, look high, glow. No, we don't do more. Facts. PJ, no rose for me, host don't even pour. Let's see, Big X the Blood. Yeah, nah, Big X is fire too. I rock with Big X. Let's see, I'm So Fly by Lloyd Banks, another banger, bro. Let's see, Abel, you forgot I'm from the hood, and when you came to Houston and we made that trip, you saw that crack in the middle of the street. Yeah. Bro, we had a lot of crazy memories, bro, that we could bring up. No cap. There's been a lot of shit that happened in Houston that we had not even just in Houston. There's a lot of different places where we had a lot of fun shit happen. No cap, bro. You don't even know it. You don't even know it. I die over these Reeboks. Listen to this. Put Molly all in her champagne. She ain't even know it. I took her home and enjoyed that. She ain't even know it. Bro, isn't that not sexual assault? Like, what are we talking about right now? How did he not get canceled for this verse? If he dropped this verse today, Rick Ross is canceled. Ain't no coming back after a verse like that. Like, he literally said it, admittingly. Like, word for word. He said, I put Molly all up in her champagne. She ain't even know it. First of all, that's a felony. He said, I took her home and then I joined that. She ain't even know it. Second of all, that's doing 10 to 15, 20 years to life. Like, what? What else he said in this song? He say anything else in this song? Like, the self-snitching is crazy, bro. He said, lemon pepper my wings. That's another fact that he's talking about. Boy, love eating. Like, that's not crazy to y'all? Like, that song is crazy. Now, it's just crazy nowadays. Like, all right, let me see what else we got here now. I took her and I enjoyed that. That's crazy, bro. Yo. No, that's crazy. Let's see, correctional officers are giving passes, I guess. Let's see, if you're from New York and want to move to Texas, where should you move? And if you want to just visit, where should you go? Obviously, if you want to just visit, Houston is probably like it's one of the entertainment capitals of the world at this point, or at least of the U.S. Right? There's like a handful of cities that are like the entertainment capitals of this country, right? We obviously have Miami being one of them. We obviously have New York, with Brooklyn being one of them, and you can even consider Manhattan as well, obviously, right? And then we have Texas, Houston, right, is one of them. We have Arizona, Scottsdale is another one. You know, we have obviously Nevada with Las Vegas. We have LA with California. So we have a few places that are the entertainment capitals of the world, or at least of our country, right? And Houston is one of them. If you want to have a good time, Go to Houston. All right. If you want to live, I don't know. All right, because I don't know. I've only been in Texas. I've been to obviously Houston out of the major cities, right? We've been to a lot of smaller ones, but out of the major cities, I've been to Houston, we've been to Dallas, we've been to Austin, I've been to was this Sacramento? Was it Sacramento? It might have been in Sacramento. I can't remember. I've been to El Paso. I've been all over Texas, right? Um, I just know Houston is the most lit out of those. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. Only thing about Houston is like everything's an hour away from each other. Like to get from North Houston to South Houston, like you're gonna be driving at least an hour and a half. Like that's like the only thing about Texas or Houston. Everything is spread out, bro. Like it don't matter if you're going to the corner store. If you're gonna go to the corner store in Houston, it's gonna take you 30 minutes to get to the corner store. I'm just being honest. All right, it's gonna take you 30 minutes to get to that corner store. But if you're from New York, then you should already know. This should not be no surprise, right? You're probably used to it anyways. But Jose said we full. Thanks for your interest. Nah, that's hilarious. He said we full. Thanks for your interest. Nah, that's actually pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let me see. Let's lock back in. What's gold doing? Gold, we're back up to 26 pips in profit, family. This is just like how we should have expected. Again, a super choppy, slow day, man. Don't act like I ain't tell y'all it was gonna be super slow and choppy, but it's definitely one of them days where it's super slow and choppy. All right, let's play this real quick. This is the banger. Now you gonna this used to be my ringtone. Matter of fact, speaking of ringtones, family, what was your first ever ringtone that you ever had on your phone? Don't lie and say you never had a ringtone. Maybe all you younger cats, you 2000s babies, probably never had a ringtone. Because it was kind of like outdated by that time. No, it wasn't actually. I was lit in the early 2000s with my ringtone. In fact, I got my first ringtone in like 2005, 4? I don't know. Right, but I remember exactly what my first ringtone was. It's a Soulja Boy song. I think everybody's first ringtone might have been Soulja Boy. I'm not even gonna lie, but let's see. Take Rick Ross, give us back, Thugger. Let's see. That boy had Lovers and Friends as your first ringtone? Holy moly. You plus me, it equal better math. Your boy good look, but she my better half. I'm already. Why had a cake if it ain't got the sweet frosting? Nah, Fabulous went crazy on this shit. Without saying the same name, they may flame. I gotta go. Bathroom break. Daddy do the Gucci, mommy and Giuseppe's. Yes, it's a G thing. Whenever we swing, I'ma need Coretta Scott if I'm gonna be king. I'm a movement by myself, but I'm a force when we're together. Mommy, I'm good all by myself, but baby, you make me better. 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 First things first, I does what I do, but everything I am, she's my improve. I'm already boss, I'm already fly, but if I'm a star, she is the sky. And when I feel like I'm on top, she give me reason to not stop. And though I'm hot, together we burn it up. The taped up cut, the cleaned up ice. The shorty come around, I clean up nice. Dynamic duo, Batman Robin. Whoever don't like it, it's that man problem. And when I feel like I'm tired, mommy be taking me higher. I'm on fire, but shorty, we burn it up. I'm a movement by myself, but I'm a force when we're together. Mommy, I'm good all by myself, but baby, you make me better. 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 Inside every great man, you can find a woman like a soldier, holding him down. She treats me like a dawn, watches for the hit.
checks where I go, even watches who I'm with. The right when I'm wrong, so I never slip. Show me how to move, that's why I never trip. And baby girl, you so major, they should front page ya. God bless the parents who made ya. Middle finger anybody who hate the way we burn it up.
I'm a movement by myself, but I'm a force when we're together. Mommy, I'm good all by myself.
Oh baby, you make me better. Alright, let's see what we got here. What we got here? My bad, that bathroom break was a little longer than normal. You know, this caramel ribbon crunch is running through me, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's see what else we got here though.
Yeah, baby. Them lames you playing with.
Nah, this song was tough. Alright.
We trying to compliment you, you know? Make it better.
This was my first ringtone right here. A banger. Tell me this wasn't a classic, boy. Tell me this wasn't, let's see, Lovers and Friends, Mike Jones. They didn't want me. Well, they didn't want me. Nah, Mike Jones was hot too when the ringtone started really becoming a thing. This was my ringtone right here, my first ever ringtone. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. Listen to the lyrics. Listen to the lyrics. This is A1. Hold on, Soldier. Before we let you rock, I gotta give you a little bit of an edification. Okay? Listen, the person that's about to go on right now to this song, family, is probably arguably one of the best lyricists that we have in our entire generation. He's been around for at least the last 2 decades, doing his thing, breaking records, being the first at everything he does. He was the first artist to ever leverage social media the way that he was. He leveraged LimeWire the way that he did, which ended up blowing him up. And because of him, we have instant classics today. So what we not going to do is slander Soulja Boy. We going to show him love. We going to give him the respect that he deserves for being such a freaking legend. The floor is yours, Soulja.
Baby, I know that you like me. You my future wifey. Soulja Boy, tell him, yeah, you can be my bunny.
I could be your ride. You could be your ride. Say, need you in my life, yeah. It's that banger right here, boy. Y'all don't know about this. Yeah, my baby girl, cause it's an issue. And I'm gonna tell my baby girl. I'm alone. Nah, that song right there, boy. Come on now. Let's not act like those lyrics aren't elite. How about the bed? You know what it is? Soulja Boy, the first rapper to do everything, but I think I'm the first trader to ever play Soulja Boy on stream. I think I gotta be the first trader to ever play Soulja Boy on stream. Let's be honest here. Come on, that's a W for Abel and W for the family. Big W's for us, family. Yeah. You know what's crazy too? Look at who's live right now too. Though. Where is it? I just got a notification. Shout out to all my folks that watch streamers live, man. Shout out to all you guys that watch Twitch. But my boy Soulja live right now. Hey Soulja. Yeah, I'm getting money. On me. Why they hating on me? Come on, get this ad out my face, bro. I'm trying to listen to Soulja as we let this trade play out. Come on, we back up to 30 pips in profit, family. Hey, big Soulja. Let's see, what's Soulja talking about right now? Yeah, y'all gotta put some respect on this guy right here, man. It's Big Soldier. Yeah. Come on, Soldier. Yeah. Uh-huh. Like, this is live right now, too. Shout out to Soldier, man. Shout out to Soldier, man. He a real legend in the game. If y'all don't think he a legend, it's literally no other reason why besides the fact that you're just being corny, bro. Like, come on. Like, y'all know he really one of them ones. All right, let me see. Family, we're still chilling here, man. Gold is just being annoying. Like I told y'all, man, it's going to be a super sloppy, super slow day, super choppy day, with tomorrow being obviously the interest rate decision, CPI day. It's going to be a very volatile day tomorrow. So I think the markets are just chilling. Until we actually get into tomorrow. That's what I think is going to happen the rest of the day, but
I need someone to be patient with me.
someone to get... Let's see. Edification came on point. Big edification. Absolutely. Come on, baby. Can't forget about Ludacris. Nah, Ludacris was crazy. 3-6 Mafia, Stay Fly was crazy. Oh my God. The Overnight Celebrity was crazy. Oh my God. Nah, we gotta play that. Bro, you just brought back some bangers, bro. Holy moly. Do you just like keep those in your playlist or something? Tell me this song wasn't a banger, bro. When this song came out, I was like literally in middle school? I can't remember where I was. But even this song is 20 years old, bro. Oh my God.
Oh, you didn't think we can do it again?
They don't know about this. Take profit. They don't know about this, Renee. They don't know about this right here, bro. Let's see. Check out possible oil sales. Yeah, let me look at oil sales. Baby, they bum these hoes alive. I think I know they lie. I'ma make you a celebrity overnight, like Kobe wife. Oh my God. I'ma make you a celebrity overnight. To the back of the street. That's one thing I can't do. Like, I just can't. Like, I can mimic and try to catch up with every other lyricist and every other rap artist out there in terms of like re-saying their lyrics with them. But when it comes to Twista, ain't no way in hell. Ain't no way in hell nobody can keep up with this guy, boy. I think he actually might hold the Guinness World Record for most words in a minute. Am I right? I mean, let's go check out AI. I could have swore he had the record for the most lyrics or most words in a minute. I could be wrong. Let's see. Let's talk to AI real quick. Are you familiar with the Guinness Book of World Records? Yeah, when you talk to AI, like actually talk to it like you're actually talking to a person. Like, that's really the best way. All right, yes, I am familiar, blah, blah, blah. All right, cool. Cool. Who holds the record for the most words spoken in a minute? The record for most words belongs to Sean Channon. Who the hell are you? You're definitely not Twister. From Canada. He recited Hamlet's soliloquy, to be or not to be, 260 words in a staggering time of 23 seconds. He did 260 words in 23 seconds. Sheesh. All right. Let's see. Does Twista, the rapper, hold any records? Yes, Twister, the rapper, actually does hold a Guinness World Record. He is recognized as the fastest English-speaking rapper in the world. That's what it is. Okay. I knew he held a record. I don't know how I even be remembering this type of stuff, but I do. I remember some that he had a Guinness World Record for something. Right, so he is recognized as the fastest English-speaking rapper in the world. Twister was able to pronounce a whopping 598 syllables in 55 seconds. Sheesh. Crazy. That's crazy. About the big stream. Alright, so what I'll be looking for oil, if I was going to take something for oil, I'll have to see this thing completely get engulfed. This current 5-minute candle that we're on now, or the previous 5 minute, if we can completely engulf this previous 5 minutes, then I might consider the sell. But as of right now, I wouldn't be looking for no sells as of right now. Maybe if you come back up to these highs, right, you get a little bit of reaction, but that's what I would be waiting for. Is literally either come back here, close back below our trigger line, and then that's like an entry for me type stuff. Type shit. You know. All right, let's go back to the next level. Let's see, Sunshine from Twister's crazy too. Let's see, I talk fast as fuck. I feel like I can beat that. Good luck. Shout out to the boy Skaggs in the building, by the way. Let's get it. But good luck, boy. This dude speaks so fast, bro. I can see me figuring you whipped cream. I can see you on the stage of the wars with the best dress training for the doing big things. Kicking with a Kaboja live. You looking good, girl. I'll show you right. Dre told me the prototype. I can make you a celebrity overnight. That J, I know they like. Come on, Gold. Are you just chilling here, boy? Come on, just get up to this high so we can, you know, do a little thing. I can make you a celebrity overnight. All right, what y'all know about this one too? There's another Twister banger right here, boy. Y'all don't know about this one, boy. Oh my God, y'all don't know about this one. Marvin Gaye, some Luther Vandross, a little Anita. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's my vocals too, by the way. TV edition, baby, get. We got another potential 5-minute flip, trigger line entry. Come on, Gold, push for us now, baby. Come on. Yeah, well. To drive over in a. Bring some friends you cool with. And I want you to strip. See you with my new chick. So we get our grind on. She be grabbing, calling me Biggie like Shine Home. Man, I swear she. Why she always lying though? Telling me they diamonds when she know they rhinestones. Michael Jackson got a dark-skinned friend look like. She we ready for the world. She was ready for some action. Y'all don't know about this right here. Y'all don't know about this right here. What about Busta? Busta's a GOAT. Listen, we show Busta love, man. Let's see. That's what I said. Yeah, I like that. Man's got the middle school jams on. Yeah, we repping this shit right now. We bringing it back, baby. A new edition. Oh, baby, take the dance. Let me take this party alright. Damn, baby. I know somebody that could. Right to the right hands, right to the left, smoking on my cannabis. When it comes to the I'm trying to keep up. When the comment twist, this happened Hennessy from the beat. What I smoke beat, what the bigger beat, got energy. Well. It with me and some things of the campaign. Twist like a whispers, hit the stoplight, move it to some Isaac. Bump it like the spinners. Yeah, I can't keep up. That boy going too crazy. Look at the key sweat. Come on, Gold, do something, bro. Like hold on, family. I gotta talk to Gold. Bro, like we know that you have news tomorrow, Gold. Trust me, we are aware of the fact that CPI is tomorrow, and interest rate is tomorrow, and the summary of economic projections is tomorrow. We know that Jerome Powell also opens his big mouth tomorrow. But can you please just go? Like, can you please just do something? I'm sorry for yelling. Just got a little hot. Man. So you can't sleep on Jamie Foxx. Jamie Foxx really had some hits. Like, Jamie Foxx really did have a lot of hits that most people don't even remember that he had. He really did. But with him, old man. Y'all don't even know that he was actually on Gold Digger. Y'all ain't even know that he was actually on Gold Digger. But we're not going to play that right now. We're going to play, Dang, he got some bangers, bro. Oh my God, he got some bangers. Hold on, family. Jeez. This is what I want to start with, right?
I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby.
Nah, we can't start with that one. Nah, we can't start with that one either. That's too much. That's too much for y'all. We're gonna play this one. Yo, we really bringing back the classics, bro. I don't know if Gold likes us playing the classics, but blame it on the got you in the zone. Blame it on that alcohol. Blame it on the. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, John, I'm with you. He don't wanna seems like he's easy. Plays Gold Digger while trading gold. Damn. I just realized that probably is the best song. Hey, Sam. Don't get it drinking, don't get it twisted. See what we could do when we press fast forward. Living better cup, dig it better. You would need to say it out. Hold on. Yo, isn't it crazy, family? Isn't it crazy that I haven't heard this song in forever? And I'm pretty sure some of you guys haven't heard about it in literally probably over 10 years you haven't heard that song. But why is it that there's songs from like 5, 10 years ago, 15 years ago that immediately they turn on and we know exactly what the lyrics are for those? Like, why? How is our memory that good when it comes to memorizing song lyrics? But when it comes to memorizing other shit that might be a little bit more important, it's like, whoa, where did it go? Like, why does that happen? Like, why? Like, does anybody know? I mean, Skags, if you're still in the chat, if anybody's gonna know, it's gonna be because of you. Like, if anybody knows, it's definitely you. So does anybody know that? Like, why is it that we can remember song lyrics really well, but nothing else? I don't get it. Let's see this type of music you want to dance battle to? Yo, you know what's crazy? I still can't wait for the day. I seen you do a little bit of like a little dance because we've been to the club before, you know. But I want to see Skags in the element of an actual rager. Like that would be lit. I can't wait to see that, boy. I can't wait to see that, boy. Seeing Skags in the middle of the dance floor just going crazy to some crazy house trap dubstep mix would be insane. Yo, that would be lit. I'm not even gonna lie. One day. We'll get it one day. Got you in the zone. Blame it on that. Blame it on the. Blame it on the Henny. Blame it on that. Did they call me? No, she tipsy. Come on, Gold, do something, Gold. Like, bro, we were waiting for at least an hour now, bro. Just chilling here, bro. Like, when did we take this trade? At 9. We've literally been in this for an hour, not doing anything, Gold. Come on. Don't get me drinking, girl. Let it drinking. Deals to the weekend. We think what we could do, and we best fast forward. Hey, then a little cup. Deals in the fair. I was unaware. I thought we found the 4 of the 10. Got you in the zone. He said play some Bone Thugs. Sheesh. Feel good. This is another one that got hits. We cannot sit here and act like T-Pain don't got a bunch of bangers, bro. We're not gonna disrespect T-Pain and all his greatness, because I can literally bring up 30 songs right now from T-Pain that were all bangers. You know what? Y'all got me going. Hold on. What was the song I was about to play before T-Pain got into my head? Hold on. Let me see. It was another Jamie Foxx song that I wanted to play. Whoa. That song was a banger. She got her own. Oh, nah. See, this song right here. This song bring back memories. This song is a song. I was kind of like heartbroken to this song, I think. Save you from you, 'cause you know there's something missing in my thinking. Got me just to make you over time. Yeah, this was a banger too, family. Come on. Come on, gold. We up around 40 pips on gold now, family. 40 pips on gold. Let's go. Let's go, gold. Come on, gold. You're doing great, baby. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. I've been doing Jason well for so much. Here we go, family. This is my part right here, family. This is my part. Where I always fall for your time. Who sang that with me? Be honest if you sang that with me. Sing it again. Here we go. Me why I always fall for your time. We up 40 pips right now, baby. Let's go. For your time. And I just want to say this, say that all. Yo, I told y'all I'd be acting a fool, man. Y'all be making me act a fool on stream, bro. I swear. For your time. Here we go. This is my part right here, though. So who am I to judge you in the past, girl? Alright, I want to get straight to Drake's part. Where's Drake at? Here we go. This is my part right here. Yeah. Dress hanging off his shoulder, barely sober. Telling me how you moving away and starting over. Girl, quit playing. You just saying. Oh, wait. No, I get it, girl. I'm with it. I've been down this road before, and yeah, I skid it, but forget it. Damn. I wonder why I never learned my lesson. Like a second chance, and it's the first impression. Oh my God. Nothing new except for someone new. How you supposed to find the one when anyone will come with you? Taking to myself, but I never. Bro, he's spitting right now, bro. Anywhere you gotta go, let you meet my texting me again about how reckless I have been, and I'm slowly running out of all the time that I invested making all the same mistakes, and I'm just trying to correct it. Yeah, I definitely was heartbroken listening to this song, boy. I almost cried just now. No cap. I got literally almost just cried. For your time. Oh, wait for your time, for your time. I just wanna make you say this all. All right, we got one more Jamie Foxx song, and then we gonna have to call it us. Oh no, we gonna have to see where gold is at, cause we up around 30-40 pips on gold, family, but.
She done danced like 9,200 songs back to back, but ain't nobody. Check it out. This is what she said. She said, oh. She said
she wants some Marvin Gaye. Oh, wait, I already played this. I already played that. All right, cool. Nah, T-Pain got unlimited hits. T-Pain is like, nah, I don't think there's anybody that has unlimited hits like Chris Brown. Chris Brown legit has unlimited hits. I don't think there's anybody else in the music industry that has unlimited hits like Chris Brown do. But what we can do is play some bangers, right? One of my favorite songs from T-Pain. Oh, shit. I brought it back. Oh, shit. I brought it back, family. Oh, shoot. I'm sprung, dog, to get me. Got me moving things I'll never do. Man, my headline look crazy right now. Why my shit look like this? You do. What y'all know about this? What y'all know about this? He said I come in and this man singing his heart out. Hey, Sandro, welcome to the chat, baby. Come on. Listen, we waiting. We letting this trade play out. We in the money right now. Y'all gonna hear me sing my little heart out, baby. Still even the main lady. She ain't thinking about it lately. Hey, she really don't deserve me. All they wanna do is hurt me. I gotta really quickly before she come and try to get me. Nah, this song is tough. If y'all don't like this song, then I know you lying. Got me moving things I'll never do. strong. Remix. This is a more modern version of this. Shout out to Tory Lanez, free Tory Lanez family. Can I get a free T Lanez in the chat? This is Tory Lanez edition of this, and this is better than the original. That was in the Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should have seen her. The way she did it, nobody do it cleaner. I seen her in a suit for my birthday. Man, free Tory, man. I'm drunk, she got me doing the dishes. You still my chick. Facts. And I gotta go without me. Did it, ooh, did it, yo.
I already know what it takes to get into you. Ooh, bring
Make
it back.
it,
She put
you wanna
it
tell
on
me
you,
something?
mix
You wanna
up,
make it clap?
Make it clap, I make it clap, yo. I make it clap, yo. I had them haters asking how you up in that road, and how them umbrellas coming out of that door, how the front doors open up like the back doors. I be like, you ain't rich enough. You ain't got my bitch in the Lamborghini bikini on the beach sitting up. Now you bitching up. Now you bitch with us. She said that champagne nasty. Spit it up. Tory took one line of in a hot song. Now the chicks won't tape, I am not gone. But it's been 5 times you ain't catch on. Baby on the next song. I can't let you go
without me.
Spot that you drop me.
I can't let you go without me.
Shawty got me. Waiting on the mama tryna lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you drop me.
Tell me, baby, and I sprung you. I'm over here looking for another song. That's what I need to play this shit. I need to play this song right here. Nah, that song is OD. That song is OD, family. There's no way in hell y'all can say that that song is not OD, bro. There's just no way. There's no way.
Get on some real yard shit. Come in on it like this.
No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me no one girl can deny me. Me no see me change shiny but white free. Me a controller, young soldier, once over. Any man at this way I get slumped over. Don't be scared of the thing, girl, come closer. You need to come over. Bad man, we no watch that. Even when me need to watch that. I got my
It's a DJ Abel Trading Club. Let's get it, baby.
If me ever need to shot that.
One time for the rude boy, and you notice. Oh my God. I know that it's gonna be crazy.
You need somebody wavy. 300 down on red up on the hook. Young nigga getting this cake, it's not a joke. I'm that nigga and I'm wavy. These souls never about to play me, okay? In the way for the thing, she a push pon it. But I'm on it, shorty up on it. Come rock it down it, baby, I'm on it. Top down in the morning, tell me you want it. She been fucking for a come up, I got.
Oh, I didn't even mean to change that.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm back. Remix killer. Drop that ass on the floor and come back. Rotate it.
Come on, go. We're back at 20 pips in profit, family. We're back into 20 pips. That's it. All right, we're gonna put. Nah, I wasn't really a fan of that one. I ain't gonna lie. I was not a fan of that one. All right, family. Listen, man. This trade is gonna continue to go back and forth, fam. This trade gonna continue to go back and forth, family. Ain't much we could do, man. We at the will of the markets now, y'all. But I'm about to wrap this thing up, family. And in order to wrap this up, we're gonna have to play some Toast by Coffee. This song is a banger. Listen, family, man, I love you guys so much. I love you guys. Thank you guys for rocking with me this morning, family. I'm going to be calling it a day after that, man. We're going to have to let this thing play out like yesterday. Hopefully it doesn't take long to actually move. But there's really not much that we can do here. We are in some gold buys. We're in around 20 pips of profit. We were about 1.40 pips of profit. Came back. That's just what it is. All right, so we got to let this stuff play out, family. All right, I will let you guys know exactly what's going on with it in the Discord. If you guys are not in my Discord, make sure to get in there. I need you guys in there to participate in the conversation. All right, we going to keep on growing. We going to get better, and we going to get better together, family. Right, we are one. I'm with y'all here. And I want to make sure I do my part to help y'all get to the next level. But I need y'all to be where I'm at so that we can do that. But I do appreciate y'all for tuning in with me, family. I love y'all so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys need me, reach out to the Discord, family. But all right, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Have a great rest of y'all day if y'all not in the Discord. If you are in Discord, I'll talk to you soon. Let's get it. Anything. Blessings for my life. Hey, hey.
Spectacular photo, keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot to gamble in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast to the friends we take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only said the road and me go on with it, go on with it. Just show our blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. Just show blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the glory. I'm delighted. Jah knows my passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life and my thank God.